Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto Chester. My name is Chester and today I'll be walking you through my second altcoin of the day, and the second altcoin that I've chosen to showcase to you today is a bit of VeChain, as you can see here. First things first, we're going to start off with VeChain here on the daily. And guys, you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm not gonna keep you guys for too long here. I just want to give you a nice price prediction, a bit of TA coming through for VeChain, a little bit of a daily prediction coming through to start off with. We've got, as you can see, a falling wedge pattern here, guys. It is a little bit of a parallel channel, considering it's not quite parallel there. I would say falling wedge pattern, and it is at the top of an uptrend, guys. That basically means it's a bull flag scenario there, which basically means continuation to the upside, right? Very interesting stuff here. If we are looking for any sort of measure move in terms of a price prediction for VeChain right now, we would be doing something along the lines of this, going on the most recent uptrend inside that zone. It's gonna be up to around 13 cents and 86 there. Very interesting stuff, just because as you can see this gray box zone here, guys, this is the previous lower highs throughout the whole of May here, and we know what lower highs are. They're very bearish, right? And they basically hold a lot of resistance. Now if we're looking at it, you can see the resistance we found from this zone continuously. We actually had it come through in September as well. We were scurrying around the zone trying to get over it, and then we just lost it. Really quite pathetic in September, as I'm sure a lot of you know. Now, as you can see, the measure move completion is going to actually take us up and over that sort of grey box zone. So we know there's going to be resistance along the way. We know it's going to be a rough path. It's not going to be easy, smooth sailing there. In terms of percentages for a potential long position here, it's going to be around 32.88% gain. So it's pretty good indeed. But as I said, guys, there is going to be resistance along the way, which basically means we're going to be staggering take profits all the way up, planning for any sort of reversal coming through there, taking profit as we go. You know the score here. You know the score here. That's basically covered here on the daily term time frame. I would say we're getting to that over sort of extended sort of stance coming through here on the RSI here. If we do actually see a nice pump to the upside here, I would expect to be overbought here, and that's when we're probably going to see some rejection coming through from that grey box zone. So it's definitely a point to be looking out for there, guys. Just be wary of. In terms of the MACD right now, we're actually seeing this uptrend actually continue here for VeChain, which is obviously quite progressive. I would be looking to break this high at around this 12 cents and 32 there. That's going to be the ideal sort of scenario there for VeChain on the daily. Let me jump to the 4 hourly here. As you can see on the 4 hourly, guys, we've got a lovely, I don't really like them, but it's a broadening wedge at the end of the day, guys. We do have a broadening wedge coming through here. As you can see that the heavy levels of support that we are finding here continuously. Pretty strong stuff indeed, and also the heavy points of resistance. Now it brings me onto this zone that we were talking about a second ago there, that 12 cents and 32 there. This is definitely going to be a resistance zone to be looking out for. As you can see, the resistance that we found along this zone before, pretty rough stuff, guys. Really quite rough. So yeah, I would expect some sort of pullback coming through from there. If we are going to break out from this zone, there could definitely be a trade up from here. And in terms of a trade up from here, I would wait until we get over this trend line and also this previous high here. So yeah, we could be looking at around a $2.19 there, all the way up to that volume weighted ATR band. And then from there, obviously keeping in that long position, depending on how the reverse was planning out in terms of this grey box zone, looking for that completion of the measure move of this falling wedge pattern on the daily chart there. But yeah, guys, that's going to be your VeChain update. Prices I would be looking for here is going to be that $12.55 for the continuation to the upside. If we're going to see any sort of reversal here, we've got a lovely horizontal in terms of resistance here. You can see we're definitely potentially going to have a bounce point here with all major moving averages coming up as well. It's looking pretty good for a bounce point at 11 cents and 66. But yeah, guys, that's going to be a VeChain update. Altcoin of the day 2 done. But yeah, for now, it's going to be peace out and goodbye from me, Crypto Chester.